In Creo 11, now you have an improved process documentation for the machining operations. You can go to the Applications tab and click on the Process Documentation command. Among other things, you can write the program number. You can define the logo and name of the company or the manufacturing site. You can include the manufacturing model, sequence, and tool images, and some special instructions. We added a section for you to add more images. Could be an image for the machine or the setup, or the fixtures, or any information pertinent that need to be communicated to the shop floor. Then, when you click the Create button, the report will be prepared. Here we can see an example. When was this report created, by whom, the model name, etc. Also the special instructions text with the corresponding images. In this example, we have only one operation. There is a summary section with the orientation, machining time, Z-min and Z-max. Next is the sequence list. Automatically, Creo NC captures an image of each toolpath, considering the position on the screen of the manufacturing assembly at the time we created the report. Also, there is a section for the tool list necessary for this machining operation. We included an option to create a table view with no images in case it's needed. These new report enhancements will be useful to communicate the machining instructions to the shop floor.